Top 10 AI-powered image enhancing and editing tools. Are you tired of spending hours editing your photos only to end up with lackluster results? Well, have no fear, because AI-powered image enhancing and editing tools are here. With just a few clicks, these tools can transform your photos into captivating visuals that will have your friends and followers in awe. In this video, we're going to showcase the top 10 AI-powered image enhancing and editing tools that are guaranteed to elevate your photo editing game. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and get ready to discover the world of AI-powered photo editing. Number 1. YouCam Enhance. Kicking off our list is YouCam Enhance, an AI-powered app that allows you to enhance your photos with just one tap. The app uses AI algorithms to improve the quality of your photos by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and saturation. YouCam Enhance also provides features like skin smoothing, teeth whitening, and eye brightening. With this app, you can swiftly give your photos a professional touch. In addition to the fantastic features already mentioned, YouCam Enhance offers real-time photo editing, allowing you to see the changes as you apply them. This means that you can perfect your photos even before you capture them. This app is perfect for both casual users and professionals, as it provides an intuitive interface with advanced options for those who want to dive deeper into photo editing. Number 2. Remini. Remini is an AI-powered app that specializes in restoring old and blurry photos to their former glory. The app employs AI algorithms to analyze your photos and enhances them by adding missing details and removing noise. With Remini, you can turn your old and blurry photos into clear and sharp images, making them look freshly captured. The app also offers color restoration and automatic portrait enhancement. What sets Remini apart from other photo restoration apps is its ability to handle even the most challenging photos. Its AI algorithms can deal with photos that are not just old and damaged, but also those taken in low light or with poor resolution. Remini's user-friendly interface and quick processing make it an ideal choice for people of all skill levels. Number 3. Cutout Pro. Cutout Pro is a powerful AI-powered tool that enables you to remove backgrounds from your photos effortlessly. The app uses AI algorithms to analyze your photos and separates the foreground from the background. With Cutout Pro, you can create transparent backgrounds for your photos, which is especially useful for graphics or collages. The app also offers features like Cutout Preview Mode and Edge Feathering. Besides its exceptional background removal capabilities, Cutout Pro allows you to add custom backgrounds to your photos. This feature lets you create unique images by combining elements from different photos or adding scenic backdrops. Furthermore, Cutout Pro supports batch processing, making it an excellent tool for users with multiple photos to edit at once. Number 4. Fotor. Fotor is a popular AI-enhanced photo editor that makes it easy to refine your photos. The app offers features such as skin smoothing, color correction, and background removal. Fotor also provides templates and designs, simplifying the creation of eye-catching collages and graphics. Fotor's AI capabilities extend to its HDR, or High Dynamic Range processing feature. This allows you to combine multiple images with different exposures to create a single photo with balanced lighting and shadows. Fotor's HDR feature helps you achieve stunning results, making your images more dynamic and true to life. Number 5. Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance is an AI-powered tool that enables you to upscale and enhance your photos in a few clicks. The app uses AI algorithms to analyze your photos, adding missing details and removing noise. With Let's Enhance, you can increase the resolution of your photos without losing quality, making them perfect for printing or sharing on social media. Additional features include color correction and texture enhancement. One notable feature of Let's Enhance is its ability to handle even the most significant enlargements without losing quality. This makes it an ideal tool for photographers who need to print their images in large formats or create high-quality digital art. With its seamless integration into your workflow, Let's Enhance becomes an indispensable tool in your photo editing arsenal. Number 6. Vance AI. Vance AI is a suite of AI-powered tools that streamline photo enhancement. The suite includes tools for upscaling, denoising, sharpening, and background removal. With Vance AI, you can give your photos a professional touch in no time. The suite also features templates and designs for creating stunning collages and graphics. Vance AI's suite of tools goes beyond photo editing and enhancement. It also offers AI-powered image generation capabilities, allowing you to create unique artwork, logos, and illustrations from scratch. These creative tools, combined with the advanced photo editing features, make Vance AI a one-stop solution for all your visual needs. Number 7. PicWish. PicWish is an AI-powered photo editor that allows you to refine your photos with ease. The app offers features like color correction and background removal, as well as filters to give your photos a unique look. PicWish also provides templates and designs, making it simple to create attractive collages and graphics. PicWish stands out with its unique AI-driven photo curation feature. The app can analyze your photo library and automatically create stunning albums based on different themes, events, or time periods. This saves you time and effort in sorting through your photos, allowing you to focus on enhancing and sharing your memories. Number 8. BeFunky. BeFunky is an AI-powered photo editor that offers an array of tools to refine your photos. The app features skin smoothing, teeth whitening, and color correction. BeFunky makes it simple to adjust various photo elements and apply filters for a distinctive look. Additionally, the app offers templates and designs for creating visually appealing collages and graphics. Another great feature of BeFunky is its AI-driven batch processing. This allows you to apply the same edits to multiple images simultaneously, saving time and ensuring consistent results across your entire collection. BeFunky's batch processing is perfect for users who need to edit large sets of photos with a uniform look. Number 9. Adobe Photoshop. No list of photo editing tools is complete without mentioning Adobe Photoshop. Although not exclusively an AI-powered tool, Photoshop does offer a range of AI-powered features, including content-aware fill, automatic selection, and skin smoothing. With Photoshop, you can edit your photos to a professional standard, adjusting everything from the brightness and contrast to the size and resolution. The app also offers a range of plugins and presets, making it easy to achieve a specific look or style. Photoshop's AI-powered object selection tool is a game-changer for photo editing. It can intelligently identify and select complex objects within your images, making it easier to isolate and edit specific elements without spending hours on manual selections. This feature greatly improves the speed and accuracy of your editing process. Number 10. Luminar AI. Last but not least, we have Luminar AI, an AI-powered photo editor that uses machine learning to analyze and enhance your photos. The app comes with a range of features, including sky replacement, face enhancement, and object removal. With Luminar AI, you can quickly transform your photos into stunning works of art with just a few clicks. The app also offers a range of templates and designs, making it easy to create beautiful collages and graphics. Luminar AI's innovative AI-powered composition feature, called Composition AI, automatically detects and corrects the composition of your photos, ensuring they are visually appealing and well-balanced. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the artistic aspects of your photography, while Luminar AI takes care of the technical details. So there you have it, the top 10 AI-powered image enhancing and editing tools. From YouCam Enhance to Luminar AI, these tools offer a range of features to help you enhance and transform your photos quickly and easily. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to improve your Instagram feed, these tools are sure to help you take your photos to the next level. So go ahead and give them a try, and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite.